In this video, we'll show you how to create a textured text effect in After Effects. There's a lot of detail in the video, so I recommend watching it until the end. First, we drag and drop the imported video onto the composition icon, which will open a composition suitable for the video. Then we narrow the workspace down to the part of the video we need. Then we double-click the video, which will open the workspace. Next, we select the RotoBrush tool and find the part of the video we need. Then we slowly begin selecting those parts with the RotoBrush tool. The key here is to select the necessary parts. We only need the parts where the foot touches the ground, so the rest is selected or not selected. There's no need to work too hard. This part will be a bit longer, so I'll speed it up a bit so the video isn't too long. After the RotoBrushing process is complete, return to the composition panel. Rename the video layer and name it Roto. Then copy the Roto layer, rename it, name it without Roto. Then delete the RotoBrush effect. Next, select the text tool and write a suitable word. Activate the 3D feature of the text. Set its color to white. Move the text layer to bottom layer. Then scale it and adjust the 3D settings accordingly, as if a foot were stepping on the text. Now the real work is how to give the text a texture that looks like it was written on asphalt. Open the toggle switches modes and set the blend mode of the text layer to overlay. This will make it appear as if it's intertwined with the asphalt. But to make it even better, copy a text layer. Move it to bottom layer. Change its color to black. Then open the opacity of the black text and set it to 25. This creates an effect that looks exactly like the text was written on asphalt. Of course, you can also create this effect in an animation. Parent the text below to the text above. Position the white text for 1 second and start keyframing. Move to the first second and adjust its position. Select keyframes and set it to easy ease. Then set the speed graph like this. Enable motion blur for the text layers. That's exactly it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more After Effects tutorials. See you in new videos.